Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to edit this picture using the Lightroom Mobile App. So, let's start editing. First, go to Light. Bring the exposure -0.50. Contrast to -5. Highlights to -28. Shadows to +75. Bring the whites -17. And blacks to +11. Now go to curve. I have copied the previous curve settings. And done. Next go to color. +100 for vibrance. And saturation to +18. Now go to color grading. Bring the hue to 90 and saturation to 15 for highlights. And done. Now go to color mix. Go to red, saturation to -21 and luminance to +58. Next go to orange, hue to +34, saturation to -59 and luminance to +55. Next go to yellow, hue to -34, saturation to +100 and luminance to -5. Next go to green, hue to -100, saturation to -100 and luminance to +6. Next go to aqua, hue to +67 and saturation to -100. Next go to blue, hue to -33 and saturation to -25. Next go to purple, hue to -12. And done. Now go to effects. Days to +23. Bring the vignette -50 and midpoint to 36. Bring the feather 100 and roundness to 67. Now go to details. Bring the sharpening 50. Noise reduction and color noise reduction to 15. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye guys.